papaya salad. Here goes. Been married to my Thai wife for 6 years and I've never tried her favourite dish, tom yum, papaya salad. Because the smell of the fermented fish and the other things has just repulsed me, so I just couldn't try it. But I've got to. I'm in Thailand. I'm going to try it right now.
Very good, darling.
Well, let's go. Let's see how I go. I haven't done it yet. I'm scared.
Oh, done.
Let's go. Sweet. A little bit of spicy, a little bit of, oh, hot on the tongue. There's something hot in there.
Yummy, yummy. I get some, okay?
Well, my mouth's burning. That's what I've been eating, this papaya. Or in Australia we call it pawpaw. And Nang loves this stuff. She could eat bucket loads of it. It just doesn't have enough green papayas in Australia. It has to go up to Springvale or Dandenong Market in Melbourne to get some. But
That's right.
right here in Bangkok, it's freely available everywhere you go. Every street corner someone's making papaya salad, and Thais just love the stuff, but it's hot. You should have got some water, Nang.
No, I forgot to bring.
Oh, where's the water? Looks like there's fire coming out of my mouth.
Yeah. Need to try everything. Never know, never go.
I've never tried this before, but
Never go, never know.
it's nearly all gone. Why did I do this for? Have to do it for Nang for once.
Yeah. I don't say no.
I reckon that's it, isn't it?
Yeah. Go on now. Go on. Just water a little bit.
And the lime
Yeah.
shells.